everyone! So for today, I'm going to make a DIY Tinkerbell shoes. So I have here my old flats. Actually, this is from Micaela. And I used this for my trick and treat as my Easter bunny costume. So right now, because I don't wanna buy another flatsies or flat shoes, so I just used the old one. Actually, bago pa to, I used it once, so pwede ko pa naman siyang magamit. So what I'm going to do, I have my old flat shoes over here, and of course we have here my glue. So ELMER'S glue lang to. This one is a glitter, classic glitter glue, color green rin. And I have here of course the glitters na kulay green. And of course, bumili din ako ng ipit. Ipit to ha, ayan. So, mura lang to, like 5 piso. So, dalawa yan, 10. And then, magkano lang yung glitters ko, parang 5 piso lang din yan sa palengke. So, I'm just gonna place it there after I covered it with glitter. So, I've already started. So, what I did, so, nilagay ko lang siya. We placed it in a paper bag, or if you have old Manila papers, newspapers, you can also use that para we can reuse the glitters na natanggal at natataktak natin. So, I first covered yung shoes natin with the glue. Yes, with the glue. And then, I sprinkled over on top of it yung ating green glitter. So, once it dries, ilalagay ko na siya dito. Okay, so I am doing it section by section. Ayan. So far, inuna ko yung harap. Sobrang excited ko, but whatever. Saan yung gustong unahin. Ayan, so there. After kasi siya natin ilagay, tinataktak ko siya, yung glitters, and then yung sobra natin, we can also reuse it, collect it, and put it back in the plastic, and then, yan. And later on, I'm going to show you the finished product. There you go. Okay, so right now, I've already filled out the shoe with glitters. Hindi nga lang perfect, pero yan, manipis na layer lang. So, I learned na first application yung application mo should be very manipis lang na glue, wag super kapal. Yan, kasi pag super kapal, nagdi-drip yung glue kasi hindi siya kaagad yung super natutuyo. Yan. So, already covered the entire shoe. And there you have it. We've already placed yung ating pom-pom sa harap. Yay! It's so cute! I'm so excited to wear this one. So cute. So, I used Mighty Bond. Okay. Yan! Mighty Bond instant glue. So, this one is a super glue. So, please be careful when using this one. Especially, wag didikit sa inyong skin. Yan. Yeah, so cute oh! It's very secured na. Very tight and secured na. Yay!